And welcome to week 11 of Monday's Mixed Media Mini Morsels. What a mouthful. Um, we're going to go ahead and use our mixed media, our regular mixed media list, to have the computer pull 5 prompts for us. Now you can use these in any order that you want. You can omit or substitute anything that you want to. You can add to them in any way that you choose. Of course, you can use any media as far as the background and your base, your substrate. It can be anything that you want it to be. And I will explain at the end, if there's any questions about any of the prompts. So let's go ahead and let the computer pick. Number 10, use texture paste. The next one is number 37, and that's markers or paint pens. I love when this thing decides to give me commercials. Number 16, a wild card. My marker is dying. That's okay, I have a whole bunch. Number 30, add green. And the last prompt for this week is number 44, and that is to use chalk. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at all of these. So, for week 11, use a texture paste. Now, I do have a quick and easy recipe for making your own texture paste. It's in my On the Cheap playlist. If you go click playlist on the cheap there. Otherwise, you can use any kind of paste that you want. You can use Nuvo paste. You can use texture paste. If you don't have texture paste, maybe hot glue. If you have hot glue, you could certainly try using that. Markers or paint pens. It doesn't have to be, high-end stuff here, guys. Your markers can be from the dollar store if that's what you have. A wild card. This means you can use anything you want. You can add to this anything you want to put onto it. Also, adding green. Green doesn't just mean paint. It doesn't just mean ink. It can be, maybe you want to use green texture. Maybe you want to use green washi tape or green buttons or something like that. Just adding the color green. And using chalk. Now, you can use artist chalk. You can use, the pan palette chalks. But I don't care, sidewalk chalks. If that's what you've got is a pack of colored kids chalk, use that. Use whatever you want to do. Okay? So I would love to see your creations if you'd like to. Remember, you can add to this or subtract from it in any way that you want. And posting it to my group is always welcome. You can find a link to that in the description below, as well as a link to the list for our regular game. Till the next time, stay well, my friends. Bye-bye.